I think other than immunity, they will also need the witness protection program if they wish to avail.
That is,
That's why I'm clarifying if it's by them availing of the immunity, does it equate to also them having the avail of the witness WPP right away?
that is the prerogative of the Secretary of Justice. We have different immunities, and WPP is a program under the Department of Justice, and they have the mandate to likewise also admit any witness into the WPP. So my question is, in fact, I'd like to ask Secretary Aguirre, have they not been admitted into your program, or are you contemplating on admitting them into your program?
For the information of Your Honors, they have the six have all been admitted to the witness protection program of the Department of Justice.
So I think that is a more stronger protection that can be afforded to them. In fact, I do not know if we still need a this legislative immunity that we will seek this committee and the speaker. So if they have all been admitted into the program, then I guess that would suffice, Mr. Secretary.